Well, I was due to go to the two-stroke meet at Rivington today, but we got a bit of a disaster. So when I started up, engaged gear, just jumped forward and died. Engaged gear, jumped forward and died. Obviously this doesn't have a side stand switch, so it can't be that. So it's probably the clutch plates welded together because it's been stood so long. That's why I've stripped it down, but unfortunately when I've dropped the oil is more like milkshake than oil, so it looks like the oil seal, the water seal's gone as well. So there is the clutch pack, and I freed the first couple off, but look at that, all stuck together. So I've got brake cleaner, we've got some Scotch-Brite, so rub down the metal plates with Scotch-Brite, clean up the clutch plates with, or the fibre plates with brake cleaner, stick it all together and order a seal kit from Yamaha. There's the plates, obviously all marked up. So give them a rub with Scotch-Brite. See how it starts to clean up now. Get rid of all those rough spots. I'll crack on now and show you the result once I've done it. Hopefully you can see the difference. That side's been Scotch-Brite and that side hasn't. So I'll crack on with these. Also, you notice these little sort of cut-out tabs at the side. I always stagger these, don't have them all in line. I was told to do this a long time ago and I've carried on doing it. So, and I think that's probably the best way. But like I say, I'll crack on with the cleaning of these clutch plates and set them all back up. Right, that's on. Notice got different colour springs. The red ones are high tension and the yellow ones are more sort of low tension. If you ever put one of these things on, you might want to get one of these, because these are pretty good for putting bolts on which are under tension. You can just sort of stick it on there, goes in. Like so. Right. So all we need to do now is stick the covers on, screw them all in, get on the parts website, order a bearing, a water pump bearing, water seal, and the side gasket for this, and I'll stick them all back on the next LC video once they turn up. Sign off for now. Lovely Good Friday. For the rest of the UK, this is what the weather's always like in the north. And as ever, click on like, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications when the next video's on. And I'll see you on the next one. Any comments, stick it in the comment section. Bye bye for now.